What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now, if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this kind of slot right here. What I'm going to do is put the key in that slot like this, and then I'm going to use it to push up on the back cover. So make sure that key's all the way pushed in, and then just kind of turn it up and push up on the back cover like that. And then once we pull that back cover off, we see our battery right here. And I'm going to use this little screwdriver. If you don't have something exactly like this, it just needs to be small enough to fit into this notch right here. What I'm going to do is just put it down in that notch, and it's going to help me get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of there. Pull the old battery out, and then we'll grab our new one. And we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And you can kind of see that this side's a little flatter towards the edge, so I'm going to tuck that edge in first, like that, and then just pop it the rest of the way down. Then we'll grab the back cover, and I'm going to start the top of it on first, put it on there like that, and slide it up, and then snap it down. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.